Right, quick card swipe tonight because I just recorded a whole video and then it didn't work. Didn't record, so I'm behind. I'm just going to wet up the top here a bit. Let's just wet up here. Let's get the paints. Let's get a bit of French Ultra on there. We'll get a bit of Cobalt Blue. We'll get a bit of yellow ochre, light. What else will we get? Well, let's go a bit of new Gamboge. Why not? Well, it's a bit weird. New Gamboge. What else have we got? A little tiny bit of lamp black. Let's just do a little bit of lamp black down the bottom here. Little bit, not too much, so strong. Let's get a bit of Cerulean Blue going on. Nice, that'll do. Right, that'll do for now. Let's just get this going, hey? Let's just go across here like this. Excellent. Let's just spray a bit. And get it moving a bit. It's a bit disturbing, some of this paint a bit. It's like a bit globular. Sorry if you can't see everything. So bring in a bit of blue here. Nice. Spray this out a bit. Move it a bit. Put a bit of water on there. Help it along. Just help this one along too. going to come in with a knife here. It's a bit halfway. A few verticals are always nice. Just a bit in here, just to close it in a bit. Just going to lift out a light here. Let's just lift out a light here and just... I was going to think about doing some big strong verticals here, but I think I'm just going to leave it actually. I think that I'm quite liking this. I suppose I could have a few more lines going in a bit. Just lift out a bit of a light. I'll do some strokes here, we'll just see. Pretty bad. Anyway. It's really bad shapes. Anyway, at least it kind of like brings you in a bit. I think I preferred it before. Right, let's just try this, see what it turns out like. So I hope you enjoyed tonight. I will decide whether I do anything else with this. I might. I just got my finger in the paint. It's wet. I might do, I think this could look really good with a really detailed kind of tree here. Everything else just vague and organic-y and all of that. But I'll see, I'll stand back, I'll see whether I do anything else with this. But I hope you enjoyed tonight's card swipe / randomness very quickly. And I better go and edit this quickly so it comes to you very soon. I'll be a bit late tonight, I'm sorry about that. If you like this video, please press like. If you want to see future videos, press subscribe. And if you want to help with your watercolour, then check out the courses in the links below in the description. All right, thanks guys, see you next month. Bye for now, bye.